Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to remove this shifter knob because I've been looking at a lot of videos and this linkage cable is the bushing in here is very weak and it tends to break on a lot of people's cars apparently, and it's broke on mine, so it keeps you stuck in a gear and there's this little finger that sticks out and a ring that goes over it that needs to shift. So I need to take all that out, but in order to do that I have to take this shifter out. And I haven't found any videos online that actually do that, so I want to do that and show everybody how that's done. So take off the ball, that's the easy part. You got to remove all this shit first. There's a lot of videos on that. This slides out. So now there's pretty much a clip right here that is holding this knob from coming out. So I got to do something to take that out, that clip out. Maybe it's a screw right there, I'm not sure. Let's see. And I think it might be, yeah, it looks like it's just a normal screw. T25, possibly. A little bit bigger than that. T20. Might be bigger than that also. Alright, so I'm gonna give it a try with that. I'm not really sure. Okay. Alright guys, this is just all coming apart. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Alright. Let's try this out. See if this is any better. Yeah, that's not coming out. So I gotta. Looks like it's possibly stripped. I gotta do something to get that out because this ball is right here. Alright. Just clip me. Okay. Alright, so now this has to come out. Bam. Alright guys. So that's how you remove the shifter. Oh man, this one's all gunked up. I gotta re-oil it and whatnot. Reseal it. But pretty much whenever I put it back in, this piece needs to go through these two holes. This piece right here, this little nub, this finger that sticks out, this white finger, is going to be right here, and it goes between these two wires, in between this hole right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll put a screwdriver. It'll go between these two wires and between this hole right here, just where the screwdriver's at, but this white ball needs to be at it, in between both. Alright guys, so now I gotta clean in there, get all that out. And I guess I got that finger. This is the ball. This is what always, a lot of people say, breaks a lot. So I gotta get a little, oh, and then I guess you can put that clip over there. Okay.